Hello, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by example, and my name is Chien. Today is day 8. I would like to talk about what is the interface in Java and how to use it in your project. Okay, so now let's start it. So first is what is the interface in Java? The interface look like a class, but it is not a class. An interface can have methods and variables, just like the class, but the methods declared in interface are by default is abstract. So the abstract, if you want to understand more about the abstract, you can go back to the day 7. Okay, and it have no body. So the variable declared in an interface are public, static, and final by default. Okay, so what is the use of interface in Java? So since the method in interface do not have body, they have to be implemented by the class before you can get access them. So that means when we have a parent class, I mean when we have an interface, and if we have any class implement that interface, so that class have to implement all of the methods and variable in of that interface in order to run without the error. Okay, and also because Java in the Java language, so it does not allow you to extend more than one class. However, you can implement more than one interface in your class. Okay, so now let's show the demo. Okay, I will open the Eclipse and I will create a new class under of the main package and we'll name it either interface testing. Okay, cool. So here I will create a interface. I will name it either my interface. So inside this interface I will create a two method. Public void uh, method 1, method number 2. Okay, here. So in the interface I have just created two methods, method 1 and method 2, and of course this method will be by default is abstract and it have no body. Cool. So here I will have this interface testing class will be implement my interface. Okay, so here after you spoil out this class interface testing will be implement my interface. So here it will display the message. So the type it you have to implement two methods 1 and 2 inside this class, otherwise the compilation will be error. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so now run the application for testing. Here, so it will be display two messages, hello from method 1 and method 2. And of course, the method 1 and method 2 here had been override the methods in the interface. Okay, cool. Okay, and I will comment this one. I will have the my interface mi equal news inter mi dot method 1. Okay, so now run it. Cool. So here it will display the message for method 1. Mi dot method 2. Okay, cool. Run it again. Here. So here seems the interface had been implemented in the interface testing class successfully. So after we create a new instance interface depending on the class here. So after that we call the method to display the message of the method 1 and the method 2, and of course it will be working fine. Okay. Okay, so here I will change a little bit interface my interface 2, and it will be extend my interface. Interface define method 3. Okay, so here instead of implement the my interface, I will implement the my interface number 2. Okay, so now it will display the error message. The type interface must implement method number 3. Yeah, so because for now we are implement the number 2 method interface, so we uh, have to implement the method number 3. Okay, so here I will try to delete method 1 and 2 here. What happened here? So after you delete the method 1 and method 2, it will display the message. The type interface testing must implement the inherited abstract method 1 and method 2. Okay, so here I will run back. Yes, the arrow will be disappear. Okay, so here you can see we are already implement the my interface number 2, and in the interface number 2 we have only method 3. So basically if we also need to implement the method number 3 inside the interface testing here. But come back to the interface. We have my interface, and my interface number 2 is the extend the interface of the my interface. So just mean the my interface number 2 will be inherit the method 1 and method 2 for it. Okay, so that's why when we implement the my interface number 2, so we have to create an instance for method 1, 2 and method 3. Okay, so now am I dot method 3. Cool. Method 3, my interface number 2 to save it and run it again here. So it will display the message hello from method number 2, number 3 and number 4. Okay, cool. Okay, run it again. Okay, so here it seems everything is working fine for now. So after you finish this video, you know how to use the interface, and also know how to use the inheritance in the interface. Yeah, so we are using the extend keyword for inheritance from the first interface to into the next interface. Okay. Okay, so now here when we call when we implement any interface from the class, so we have to implement all of the default property and the methods and the project name of the interface. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.